Hi guys. Good morning. It's been a long day. It's morning here. Maglakaw na po kumato ko Walmart. Nice day karon oh. Init pero bugnaw pa. I can feel the summer na. Oh, 'di ba? Tara kong kuan. Nagpajama ako. Wala may sudan man. Sumato na ko. Ato ko kuan. Sa Walmart. Palit kog sudin. Bakit yung isda ron? Isda. May akong aton gulay og isda or na helicopter guro sa mukuan na ron mudagan mutak mulupad na ron ang helicopter. Wow, it smells so good. It smells. O diba, nag-green na, oh. Nag-green ang palibot. Oh. Green na. Oh, wala lagi helicopter. Na helicopter. Na helicopter dere. Ilagi bitsuhan. Nakaraw ko buhok oy. Motoy ko andere. Ambulansya. Motoy ambulansya dere. Ay ni saka. Masala na yung mga emergency. Og layo i-helicopter na nila para dali. Diba? High-tech dire. Kita ang helicopter manog doon diha kay ang mga helicopter sa kuan. Helicopter sa kuan. Kanang mga nag kuan to, anay, mga army ba? Ya, manago pag mi sa una og na yung makadumi helicopter kay ingon mo sila kay kana ko ng mga helicopter na ako na yung mga armas sulod. Manago pa jud mi. Are you going to school?
Yeah.
Where? Oh, it's already late.
Yeah, no.
You're just going to walk there? Oh my. You seems like my son. Like if he wake up late, like if he missed the bus. Did you miss the bus?
No, I don't get no rides to school anymore like that, so I walk.
Are you just new here in the Surrey Hill?
Yeah, usually yes.
Did you live here in Surrey Hill inside?
Oh no, I visit friends and stuff like that.
Oh, you visit friends. I see. Because if my son goes to Laurie Highland School,
Oh yeah.
yeah, if he missed the bus, he have to walk there because he don't want to absent.
Oh yeah. It is what it is. I gotta walk there all the time.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah. It's alright. I mean, school's fun, but I don't like that.
It's not fun.
Plus, we're
Mostly
doing
the
state
mathematics.
testing.
Huh?
We're doing state testing today.
Oh, you do testing?
Yeah, state testing.
Oh,
So
It's
that's
fine.
going on today.
mm-hmm. What grades are you?
Ninth.
Grade 9th?
Yeah. What's your son?
You almost get there. First, just only 7th grade.
Oh, 7th grade.
Oh, you almost get there. You have 2 years more or 3?
I got 10th, 9th, no, 10th, 11th, 12th. That's only 3 more years.
3 more years. Oh.
So,
Yeah,
yeah.
years pass by so fast.
Yeah. So, like, before anything, I had to stop right there and watch the helicopter take off from there.
Where did you live? Here.
I live in Birch.
Where?
Birch.
Where's that?
Different project.
Oh,
Yeah.
I
So
see.
live, yeah, different project.
Who is your friend there inside?
Jasmine and Matt.
Oh, I don't know them because you have a good day. Na-late siya. Nanako diri sa kwan. Nanako diri sa waiting shed. Na-late, naglangay-langay siya kay exam niya. Masang nila siya, kakala ko palayo atong Union Town School. Kay sa eskwelahan man to sa anak ni Chirin. Naglangay-langay siya, kaya na siya, nag-take di siya exam ron. Kunyari ba, para ma-late siya. Nami dire. Kuwato ko buwan, mga 30 minutes siguro. Paingon lang bus na 30 minutes. Murag sayo ra pud kay ko. Siyempre mo sayo ko no di ko ganahan matug late kay. Winter is over guys. Winter is over. Kaya namuwak ng mga tanom. Oh, tanaw mo, nag-green na siya.